Hello everyone. So if you want to create a Xiaomi account on your Xiaomi Redmi 13, so first of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, whether it could be your Wi-Fi or mobile network. Otherwise, this process won't work. Now open up your settings, scroll down to your Xiaomi account right here. Now you are to choose create an account if you don't have one yet, of course. So first of all, you are to read and agree to the Xiaomi account user agreement and privacy policy. So go through them and press agree. Now you're to enter your email and to create your password. Alright, so after we entered everything, so you're to choose your country and region, but usually it's get detected automatically, and now press create an account. Alright, so we prompted to go through our captcha. Let's do this. Where to find our bicycles. I don't see any more bicycles. Alright, that was fast. We've got our verification code, so go through your email and check for your verification code. Already got it, so let me enter it. Now press next. So the verification code will be sent to the email which you used during your registration. So make sure that you have access to that email. And basically that's it. Now we created our Xiaomi account. You can add up your phone, your profile photo, and add up your name and do all of that. However, it's already created, and basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.